Tom Clare has confirmed he and his Love Island girlfriend Sammy Elishi have split following days of speculation. The rugby star and Sammy have been surrounded by claims that they had parted ways, but the pair had remained tight-lipped on the rumors. Tom and Sammy placed third in the series, which ended just over a month ago, but have struggled to make their romance work outside of the villa. The couple sparked split rumors earlier this month after being spotted on separate nights out. London beauty Sammy, 22, lived it up at a Pretty Little Thing bash with fellow Love Island stars and influencers, while Tom was nowhere to be seen. Instead, the 23-year-old Macclesfield FC footballer was back home in Barnsley for a few days, enjoying a meal out with family and friends. Now, Tom has confirmed the news in a statement shared on Instagram, saying, "Didn't think he'd be writing this, but me and Sammy have gone our separate ways. We are still on good terms and I have nothing but love and respect for her. I'm gutted it's came to an end, but I truly wish Sammy the best." Sammy has yet to post a statement on social media. She most recently posted a picture of herself in a flowing black dress as she promoted a clothing store. Earlier this week, it was reported that the duo went their separate ways, as a source said the relationship wasn't going anywhere. A source told The Sun, "Sammy and Tom have sadly decided to call it a day. There is a lot of love and respect there, but it just wasn't going anywhere. The distance between them was too much and they are both really focused on their careers post-Love Island." Tom and Sammy came in third place on the latest series of Love Island. They lost out to winners Kai Fagan and Sanam Harinyanan. Second place went to Lara Jenkins and Ron Hall. In March, the duo's relationship seemed to be going well as Tom revealed they wanted to move in together. He shared, "I think if we could, we'd move in together tomorrow, but we're just making it natural. I'd live wherever Sammy wants to live, I'm not bothered me." Follow Mirror Celebs on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.